With space exploration came the technology that has placed telescopes above the atmosphere of our planet. Space telescopes that can record a fresh view of the universe, observing in wavelengths that cannot penetrate the Earth's atmosphere. Each new generation of telescopes, from Galileo's first simple instruments that showed us the moons of Jupiter, to the Hubble Space Telescope, has opened new windows on the universe and challenged our understanding. Step by step, we have been displaced from the center of the world and placed as exiles on the edge of a vast and inhospitable universe. With their help, we can see deep into space and through the fog of time to reveal a universe inconceivable to the people of the ancient world. A universe which is vibrantly active and violent, and where the game of life and death is played out on a scale that humbles all who observe it. In the last 50 years, we have reached a diameter of just under 1.5 million kilometers, and that it lies 150 million kilometers from Earth.
Wow.
The Sun is a sphere of gas, with a core where temperatures and pressures are so high that nuclear fusion is triggered, converting hydrogen into helium, all the while pumping out energy into space. Energy that warms and sustains the Earth, supporting life in all its oceans and across continents. Solar flares can be accompanied by a burst of high-energy particles flung out into space, sometimes reaching Earth and disrupting communications, as well as generating spectacular northern and southern lights. Currently, the Sun is in a very stable state and will continue to radiate energy at a steady rate for another 5 billion years or so. But eventually, the fuel powering the core will run out, and the Sun will slowly cool and expand to become a red giant, engulfing all the inner planets, including the Earth. Its surface is littered with craters created by collisions with tens of thousands of asteroids and comets. As a result, its surface temperature reaches a searing 400 degrees Celsius. The surface of Venus is known to still be geologically active, with fresh lava flows. Its majestic ring system. Saturn's rings are made up of pieces of rock and ice, mainly from former satellites that were torn apart by the planet's gravity. One of Saturn's moons, Titan, is an interesting world. Scientists have detected an atmosphere rich in organic matter and a surface with lakes of liquid methane. The less dramatic ring system.
Neptune.
I don't think it's Neptune.
Neptune.
Fish.
Oh, I think it's the last one. Wow.
Beyond Neptune is a region containing dwarf planets such as Pluto, Eris, Mercury, and Haumea.
Dwarf planet.